We are officially in 2026. Happy New Year, you all. This is time to ask ourselves an important question, which is, which skills are we using to move forward this 2026? In 2026, skills are no longer optional. They are essential. One of the smartest and profitable business to learn or to focus this 2026 is nylon printing or nylon production. Are you coming across my video for the first time? My name is Viewworld. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as it helps us grow our page, like and share so you won't miss any update from Viewworld Nylon Production. So today, we are looking at nylon printing. As you all know, customized nylon. In this new year, relying on only on one source of income is no longer enough. Skills are now the real currency. I repeat, skills are now the real currency. This video is just to create awareness and prepare your mind for what is coming. If you doesn't know how to print on nylon, stay close. If you have been in the business, you know how to produce all kinds of nylon, and you doesn't know how to print on this one too, stay close. If you know how to print and you're looking for where to get the material, stay close too. And if you want me to teach you online, both private or physical, stay close. Today, I'm creating awareness for these powerful skills and why it's a great move for anyone ready to grow this 2026. One of the most profitable and underrated skills you can learn today is nylon production and nylon printing. These days, nylon production is very profitable. People make use of it every day for branding, for businesses, for many other things, for packaging, everything, and so on and so forth. And today, I'm here to create awareness of nylon printing. You must be hearing of nylon printing as you're seeing it on the screen. The one on the screen, they have already printed something on it, but the one I'm holding is still plain. It's still plain. So the good news is that I'm going to be teaching it here. I'm creating awareness of it because I'll be uploading the video very soon on how to print on this nylon. As you are seeing it here, it's still plain. That's how we are going to print it here, live and direct here. I'm going to be teaching you how to print it. Someone said everything is now done online. All the businesses is now online, that the world is now digitalized and so on. Yes, the world is digitalized. Even though you are selling your perfume online, your clothes online, your wig online, you still need this. You still need this because online business without proper branding is useless. Or will I say that it won't excel, it won't go far. But when you are selling online and someone ordered and you package the goods well with your branded nylon, it makes a lot of sense. That's why many people demand for this is too high now. Demand for customized nylon is very high. So now all you need to do now is to subscribe to this channel so when we upload the video you won't be left out. And if you are already in the business, already in nylon production business, and you are not doing this, you can as well order from us and we'll customize and send to you. And if you are interested in for us to teach you private or physical about this and how to print on this, you can contact us with the number on the screen. We are going to teach you, guide you properly on how to do this thing. You'll be doing it at your own place, your house, anywhere you are. You can be doing it and be distributing to people. And if you only want to learn here, all you have to do is subscribe, because when I'm going to be uploading the full video soon here, as we are seeing it, the nylon is still plain and there is nothing written on it or nothing. But here I'm going to show you people how to print on this particular nylon, how to, even though it's your address or whatever, I'm going to show you how to do it. One thing is learning skills and another thing is learning skills that doesn't fade. This 2026 is not the year of staying idle as before. Some of us, we only search for something when we are in need of money. We go to YouTube and search how to make money in 2026, a profitable business in Nigeria, how to make money online without stress, without paying money, without bra bra, searching for nonsense. No, wake up from that dream. Now, this year, like I said before, skills are now the real currency. If you don't have skill, that means you doesn't have any currency. Skills are now the real currency. Wake up now from that dream and come and learn skills now. Come and learn nylon making. Come and learn how to print nylon, how customize your nylon. You can be customizing it for yourself, even though you don't want to be servicing others. You can be customized the one you are using. Now, a lady texted me last week that she's about losing her fiance. Why? Because she doesn't have skills. The lady said she told her fiance that she doesn't have skill, but the guy said he cannot marry a lady without no skill. Why? Why is all this thing happening? Nowadays, men and women want a man or a woman that have skills. You understand? So if there is no skills, you have no currency, and any relationship won't work. Now, without skills, you cannot go far. So the lady said she wants me to teach her this. Now, what does that mean? Skills is the main deal now. I'll be taking you through step by step on how to do this. Like I said, taking you step by step on how to print on this nylon, but not to. The video is coming soon. What do you have to do for me? Like and share this very video, because I will be uploading it. This is not the business that fades, rather is the business that grows every day. The more the world is going digitalized, the more the demand of this customized bag is going higher. Everybody now wants to promote their business using this. Everybody wants it because everybody wants their logo on it. I keep getting demand every day, every day, every day. I need this with my logo. I need this, and I find out that I cannot satisfy the people. Only me cannot satisfy the people. That's why I came with the good news this year, this new year, to teach people. I'm willing to teach people from beginning to end this year on how to print nylon, print your logo on this nylon here free of charge. And if you want my service, private service, you can contact me. I can teach you privately on how to do it, because the demand is getting high every day. People are demanding for it. Everybody wants their logo on written on this. Even those selling perfume, those selling all these small, anything you are selling, the world is going digitalized. Yes, people are posting their businesses online on status, on WhatsApp status, and all of them want to use customized bag. They want to use this branded nylon. Everybody wants their logo on it. So as the world is going digitalized, the demand of this is going higher. Don't forget, this is your chance to enter into 2026 with a valuable income and generating skills. Now, let me show you something, because some of you said is getting the material is the problem. No, it's not the problem. In view what a company, getting the material can never be a problem. All you need to is to contact us. You can get the material. This is the plain sheet, the one they haven't customized. We sell it in view what nylon production. We can help you do it like this, plain like this. And if you want the one they have already customized, all you need to do is to text us with your logo, and we'll help you do it and deliver it to you anywhere you are. Just see it, you demand, see it. If you want it like this, we can deliver it to you like this, in bundle like this. You buy it, we reduce it to bundle. Before, we don't sell in bundle, we only sell for people that needs it big. But now I've made it available for anyone. Even though you want to buy in one bundle, two bundles, we can do it and we'll build it for you. And if you want the one they have already customized, just like this on the screen, yes, I'm going to do it. Just text us with your logo, your address, and everything. We will do it for you. Remember, we are always at your service. In this channel, we don't do anything, but rather anything about nylon production. We help people, we teach people everything about nylon production, and we help people buy machine and so many other things. Don't watch others grow. Equip yourself with a valuable skills. The nylon production is not just a business, but it's a smart move in 2026. Don't waste your time online this year, 2026, as usual. Some of you will just be busy in other people's status, viewing status, wasting data on other people's status, wasting data on Facebook, wasting data on TikTok. Stop wasting your data today and come and learn valuable skill. Come and learn valuable skill. Don't watch others grow. Stop watching others grow. Come and equip yourself. It's very, very necessary. This year, 2026, is not like other years. This year, one source of income is no longer enough. As the economy is now, one source of income is no longer enough. Come and add this to the skills you have already. Is good. Even though you do not need it today, you might need it. It's very, very important. So I want to appreciate my returning subscribers. If you have been returning to watch my video, I really appreciate you. May the good Lord bless you. For those of you that haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and share this very video, as it helps us grow a bit. And don't forget, the full tutorial is coming soon. See you in my next video. Bye.